Hi everyone, good morning. Can you all hear me? Akshana, Megha, Kavya, Manikanta, Varsha.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, right. Okay. Before I start the demo, just everyone take a minute and just give your quick intro, like what you are currently doing, like are you a fresher or anything, information you want to share. Okay, please go ahead. Akanksha, you can unlock, you can unmute yourself and you can talk. Anyone. Hello, Kavya, Manikanta, Varsha, Megha. Can you all hear me?
Yes, we are able to hear you.
Yes. You can please go ahead with your intro.
Sure. Myself, Manikanta. So I'm from Andhra and working in Bangalore. So I have almost 12 plus years of experience, overall IT experience, 12 plus years of experience. And I was part of functional side. And now previously I was in function side. Now I was in techno functional side.
Okay. So which technology you are working currently?
Oracle.
Oracle. So
Yes.
you want to upskill yourself onto the analytics with various tools, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Mankanda, this training initially it goes with the Oracle SQL. Okay. If you already know SQL, just don't feel bothered because like we might have many other freshers. Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing. So now I was working on Oracle, but from next month onwards, we are moving into Fusion side. So we will not have any backend access also. So we have to depend on the OTBA reports, which was building by the Oracle. So that is the one which we need to use. So will this be helpful if I'm like I don't know. So
OTBI reports is like something like which generally people will use when they are using OBAE, Oracle Analytics Cloud, or Oracle Analytics Server in their
mhm,
regular usage of project. Okay,
mhm,
here will not have that license and all. This training will go with analytics out of box reporting tool. Generally, this training mainly it is meant for a person who wants to move or upskill themselves into data analytics space. That means first they will get hands-on with the SQL learning, then they will be using Tableau and Power BI visualization tool learning. Then they will use supporting Snowflake as a warehouse to build up their profile and do a complete development project. This training goes for around like 2+ months. We do with complete practical understanding. There won't be any theoretical at all. Okay.
okay,
Theoretical, we do work like a walkthrough sessions because people will demonstrate their projects and all, whatever the assignment is given, they will talk about it so that like it will be easy for them to prepare for their interview. Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
got it.
So you'll not have any OBI or OTBI reporting here. Okay. Or BI publisher also.
Okay,
Okay. Right.
got it. Thank you.
So yeah. Akanksha. Akanksha, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
hi. My name is Akansha, and I have completed my BTech, and I'm from banking background, but I start my career in data analytics currently.
So you already working on data analytics?
No, no, I'm from banking background.
Banking background. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you want
So,
to upskill yourself onto
yeah, yeah.
analytics. Okay, that's good.
Great.
No problem. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mega. Mega, are you there? You are on mute, Mega.
Yeah, hello sir. Very good morning. I am Meghachandar.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. I'm trying to skill up myself in data analytics. I have four
Okay.
plus years experience, and I learned Oracle Fusion also.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, that's fine.
Yes.
Yeah. How about you, Kavya?
I mean,
Kavya? Kavya, you are on mute. Okay, Varsha. Varsha, can you hear me? Hello. Varsha, you are on mute. Can you hear me? Kavya, Varsha, can you both hear me?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Varsha. Please go ahead.
I'm a fresher, sir. I don't have any experience.
So you're a fresher. Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. No, yeah. So how about you, Raghavendra? Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, good morning. So
Yes.
myself Raghavendra. So actually I have around 4 years of experience at it. So initially I have 4 years experience on SAP MM. So recently I have moved to Power BI. So I'm currently try to learn the Power BI course right now. Recently
Okay.
I have moved to domain change.
Okay. They moved out of SAP practice to Power BI. Okay. So you
Yes.
want to learn Power BI. So already you started working on Power BI or project is assigned to you?
Yeah, already assigned the project.
So because like this training will go initially with SQL, Tableau, then it comes Power BI. Okay.
Okay.
Not only just Power BI we are going to deal. We are going to deal with SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Snowflake.
Yeah, those all are included in my project.
Okay,
So
fine.
we
You want
work
to learn
both as
everything
well
in
like
hands-on.
Power BI and Tableau both are.
Okay, good. Yeah, fine. So, Varsha, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, I think you spoke, right? Yeah. Kavya? Kavya, can you hear me? You're
Hello,
on.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah.
Sir, I'm fresher, sir.
You're also fresher. Okay, that's
Yes.
fine. Cool. Yeah. Fine. We'll start the demo. Just give me 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. Once you're all able to view it, just let me know. Okay. I'll just make you easy to understand what we are learning and how we are going to learn. Then we will go it in practical. Okay. Right. Can you all able to view my screen?
Not yet, sir. Yeah, now we can.
Right. Okay, let's make this session a little bit interactive. Okay, I'll keep asking questions. Anyone can answer. Okay, you can unmute your mic and you can answer to me. There is no issue. Okay, right. So we are all talking about data analytics. Okay, data and its analysis. Okay, right. My first question is, whenever you write your exams, okay, you have finished all your exams in your schooling, okay. At the end of the year, they'll give us a report card, annual report card, correct? You all agree with me? So that is your performance analysis, and they are giving your marks as a data and your grade as a data. You all agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Right? That means they are analyzing your performance and they are giving you the grading data. Based on it, it is getting analyzed. Your performance is getting analyzed based on your marks. Correct? Right, Varsha, Kavya, Mega, everyone?
Yes, I agree.
Yes, yes, sir.
Right. I want answer from freshers so that like it will be easy for me to understand whether they are able to follow or not. Okay. Right. Fine. Next. Let's take a simple example. Kavya or Varsha. Okay. You both are freshers, right? I'm asking you this question. Okay. To understand what is a data analytics, why it is needed in real time, I'll just give you a simple example. You all do online shopping in Amazon, right?
Hmm.
Right. So if you want to purchase a mobile in Amazon, what is your first step? What you will do?
We'll go for the search one.
Right. In the search space, you'll type mobile, correct? It gives you on your left side panel all the mobile phones models which are available there. That means Apple, Samsung, all these models it will show. When you select some model there, some mobile phone model, it gives you on your screen all the available current models from that particular brand which are available in the website. It is going to show you why they are providing that kind of data information. into a visual pictorial representation. Reason is to make you easy to understand, to make their buyer easy to understand and purchase their product. That means if they provide all this information on a piece of paper or in a notebook or a Excel sheet, it's difficult for someone to read that one, correct?
Yes.
To make data available to the outside world and make it easy to understand, that's why they go with data analytics in real time. Is it clear? Every company, every person will have its own data. Okay. When it comes to individual person, let's say you are going for a trip with your friends. You will note down all your data information, your expenses, where places where you are traveling, everything in your Excel, correct? Right? If it is that less data, if you share that Excel sheet with someone, they will be easy to read it. If it is like 10 lines or 20 lines, suppose if it is having 1 lakh or 2 lakh rows of data, it takes longer time for them to read. Correct? You all agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Let's take a simple example, business example, then you will understand in detail. Apple is a manufacturing company, correct? Mobile manufacturing company, right? In this, it manufactures, so it will have a manufacturing department, okay? And that product, whatever it gets manufactured, will get marketed, right? So you'll have marketing department. And sales, once that get marketed, sales will be done, you'll have a sales department. Once the sales is done, you'll have a finance department. Okay. And all the employees who work with the manufacturing, marketing, sales, finance will be connected to the HR department. Correct? You all agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. So manufacturing department data, we call it as manufacturing data. Marketing department data, we call marketing data. Sales data, finance, HR data. Okay. Their information will be stored at some place. Either it can be an Excel file, either it can be an Oracle database, either it can be an SQL Server database, either it can be a DB2, either it can be in Snowflake. Multiple data sources which are available in the market. Based on that particular data will be placed. Okay. Suppose if a data stored in an Oracle database, if it is in Excel, you can just double click on it and you can open that file and you can view the data. But if it gets stored in your database, you cannot directly double click and open and read the data. A person technically who knows how to write a structured query language on a database can analyze the data at data source level. Is it clear? A person who knows an SQL can analyze the data by writing an SQL to the database. They can analyze the data at the database. It's pretty simple. Same like example. Suppose if you have written 2 papers, okay. Let's say you have written your information on a paper in English. Another you have written your information on a paper in some other language. Okay. A person who knows both the languages, they can read English as well as other language, can understand that particular information which is there in that paper and explain it to others. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right, Kavya? Raghav, Mega, Varsha?
Yes, sir.
Right? So same, our developer work is like that. That means like if you know SQL, you can work on any database because in real time data will get stored into databases. Okay. Some part of the data will get stored into Excel, but major part nowadays people start using only database as a source because they can store their large quantity of data as well as like they can have the security over their data. That's why they use a database to save their data information. Okay. After learning SQL, why you need to learn the Tableau? Why you to learn the Power BI, right? For us to learn Tableau and Power BI because we want a job and we want most uh, used tools in the market. That's why we choose tools Tableau and Power BI. Why we choose Tableau and Power BI? There are other tools also, right? Because Tableau and Power BI are being widely used based on the Gartner's. Gartner is an organization where they do review for all the organizations, all the tools. From Gartner's point, these tools more prominent and more efficiently used, widely used tools in the market. That's why they are in the Gartner's review every quarter. That's why more of the options and more of the job openings are available in the market using with Gartner. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, why we are choosing Snowflake Cloud? Currently, trend is going like this. All on-premise data warehousing, they are moving into Snowflake Cloud. Okay, right. Why we need to have, generally, we don't need Snowflake Cloud to be learned in real time. But if you learn Snowflake Cloud usage, how it will be get used with your analytics tools like Tableau and Power BI, then you will have an advantage in your interview if someone goes with for an interview with Tableau and Power BI profile, and if they share their profile and your profile is shared, your profile will have an add-on as Snowflake. Okay. And during this training, I'll encourage you all to do the free certification badges, which will be associated, connected to Microsoft as well as Snowflake. So that those kind of learning skills will enable you to select your resume faster and you can perform better than other people in the interview. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Right. Okay. Let's go into tool and we will see what will happen with SQL. Okay. So I just want to use my Oracle data source here. Let's connect to HR. Okay. So here in HR, let's see, we are having data spread across all these tables. Okay. My client want to see what kind of data available from employees. Okay. Then you'll be learning during your training how to write this SQLs to the database. So I'll write a SQL, select start from employees. If it is there in your Excel sheet, you can just double click on it and you can open and you can view your data. Okay. But it's there in the data source, Oracle. You can see Oracle database. So we are writing an SQL to get this data information. Okay. Now, client want to filter. They want to have only display with data with employees salaries greater than 10,000. Okay. I'll use where condition, base salary greater than 10,000. You can see here your salaries are employees, all the employees who are having salaries greater than 10,000. There are 15 employees are available who are with salaries greater than 10,000. And they want to filter now only employees who belongs to department 90. Okay. Okay. And only 3 employees are there, Steven, Nina, Lex. Same like in your online, you are given information from mobiles. It gives you all the brands. You are selecting Samsung. In Samsung, it gives you all the models. You will be selecting one model. And after that, you will be selecting red color or blue color, whatever color you want to select. Or how much RAM size you want, you will be selecting there from your left side. Correct? That in the backend, it applies a filter to its data and it gives you that information in the front end. Now you all understand how these dots will get connected. Varsha, Mega,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, I got it.
Is it clear? Right. Okay, fine. Next, let's see same kind of analysis. What the need of using for Tableau? Okay, because this kind of analysis, if I give it to my manager or my company vice president, who is a financial person, they cannot write their SQL here and get their results set right. Okay, every time if you want to do the same job like this kind of information need to be filtered here, it takes longer time for us to get the things done. So we want to provide, rather giving their data information in rows and columns, in a good understandable pictorial representation to showcase that data information so that customers or a person who is a higher official can get their data read and understand in the first layout itself. Okay, how they can do that, how this can be done, that is the real time scenario we want to discuss. Okay, right. So to make that, let's choose Tableau. Okay, Tableau is one of the best reporting tool in the market. If you see here, it can connect to 70 plus different data sources. You all understood? These all are being used in the market in real time, but we might not be used with multiple data sources. We might be used 5 or 6 or 7. Okay, but they're globally available with this all these data sources. In our case, we are using Oracle. So I want to select data from my Oracle. So I'll be selecting Oracle as a source. You can see I'm connecting to my server and I'm logging into my HR schema.
Excuse me, sir. I have one question.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt you. Using this Tableau report, can we connect to the multiple sources? Like,
Yes.
suppose my data was in the other source,
Yes,
and
yes.
now I need to
The
connect.
data blend
Okay,
we can do.
okay, okay.
Yes, we can do the
Okay.
data blend. Your data, one table employees is in Excel and departments is in Oracle. You can blend the data.
No. My question is not that. Suppose I'm using the multiple system, like as one is for the HCF, one is for the Oracle, and one is for the some other system. So suppose I have a one sales guy. So they're booking the order in the one system. Okay, but I'm using the Oracle system. So using the Tableau report, I can pull that information to my system. Can we correct that one?
No, your question is not clear. Let me give you the clarification. You are saying you have a data at your Oracle,
Hmm.
right? What is
No,
your
no, no, no. I can say that. So suppose I'm the salesperson. Okay, I'm the customer. Okay, I book the order, or maybe I book the order in Flipkart. Okay, Flipkart is totally in the outside third party application. So now my Flipkart company was using the Oracle, but Flipkart app is in a different application, and Flipkart inside they're using the uh, different applications like as Oracle or SAP like that they're using. So now using the Tableau report, can we connect the Flipkart app and send the data to? I mean, like well, Flipkart, whatever the data was they
So
booked, they can.
I'll tell you, I understood. Okay, you have a source system.
Hmm.
Okay, and you want to, without having a warehouse,
Yes,
you want to bring your data to Tableau. Okay.
exactly,
Yes.
exactly.
Okay. So two things. If there is a connection to your source system, okay, from Tableau, okay, you can connect. Okay.
Mhm.
First issue, your source system all the time it will have transaction data. Okay. It will hit high performance issue if it is not properly modeled.
Okay.
Okay, that means like generally in real time, you will have a source system. Okay, your source system will be handled by ETL team. Okay, and they'll be loading the data information into warehouse database into fact and dimensional modeling. Okay. And from this, it will be connecting to reporting tools like Tableau or Power BI. Okay. If you are using your transaction level data directly on Tableau and Power BI, then it will be a lot of performance issues will be floating in. But not a right practice to directly connect to your source system. Hello?
Okay, got it.
You understood my point, right, Manikanta?
Yes, yes, understood.
Yeah. So without having a proper modeling done from your ETL in your project,
Okay.
if you directly pick your information from Flipkart, it gives you information from years of data. Then what
Correct.
happens, like it will keep a high load on your reporting tool. The report display, I won't say that you cannot use it. You can use it, but the report display, the performance and the accuracy, you will miss everything there.
Mhm.
That's why it is
Got
not
it.
the right practice to do.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Next. Right. Everyone just see here. I'm trying to connect to my HR. Okay. Here I have employee table. In this employee table, I want to make my departments join with my employees. Okay. In this, I want to use department ID to department ID join. And I want to use my jobs as a second table, employees to jobs. Done? Right. Now, I want to prepare a reporting solution out of it. Okay. I want to prepare my first report. First report. How many employees are working in each department? So, number of employees working in each department. It's a drag and drop kind of thing. Your data will get drag and drop and you can provide the best visualization out of it. Okay. Now you can see here each and every department showcasing here with a multicolor, and you can see number of employees working in each department count. You all understood? Right. Okay. Next. Second report I want to prepare. Okay. In this second report, I want to prepare based on different job titles. What is the employee's maximum salary and minimum salary, which I want to go with, and side by side bar chart. See how easy you can analyze your data. Can you all able to view? You can see multiple job titles, and based on the job title, you are providing here with maximum salary and minimum salary comparison. Clear? Right. Next, I want to prepare. Okay. Prepare top 10 employees based on their salaries in each department. Top 10. Employee first name, and employee salary, where I want to go with an tree map analysis. And here I want to filter based on my first name, filter only top 10. Okay. Can you all able to see? I can change these color codes, okay? You can add color codes, so many things you can do that you will learn in real time, don't worry. Okay. Then I want to prepare a detailed report where it shows me all the information. So here in detail, I want to use, okay, department name, department ID, employee ID, first name, last name, and their job titles, salary, max salary, minimum salary, which I want to go with the tabular view. Can you all able to see? Let's remove department. Okay, you all can view it, right?
Yes, sir.
The information what you can retrieve by using a SQL in your database, you can easily make that information available on your front end in a very good visualized format. Clear? Okay, let's build a dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but collecting of all these sheets and making it as a single visual presentation. That's your dashboard. Okay, I want to add my report one. I want to add my report two. Add my report three. Add my report four as a detail. Can you all able to see? Now, I want to filter this report one as a reporting filter information. So if I go to my presentation mode, let's see what will happen. I want to see, my client want to see in purchasing department who are 6 employees are working out of this entire data. When we select this, see everything filters here, this 6 employee related job titles, what is their maximum salary in each job title, because purchasing will have purchasing clerk and purchasing manager, and you can see these 6 employee details. Can you all able to see? Any of these 6 employees fall under top 10. Yes, there are 2 employees who falls under top 10. Clear? Hello.
Sir, I have one question here. So,
Yes.
do you maintain any relationship between these four reports, or any slices will be applied automatically?
No, we enable the relationship. You can see here. Can you able to see?
Yes, sir.
To
There is
make it interactive, I added as a filter. I want this report to act like an main filter report for other reports.
okay. So we have applied only for the report one. So based on
And moreover, this data information is already designed here in this model, connecting to one-on-one table.
okay.
Okay, this information is already a valid information from employees to departments and employees to jobs. That's why we were able to build a report out of multiple tables here, and we were able to add that to a single screen on this multiple reports. Clear?
Okay.
This interactive reporting you will learn in detail when you are going for this training. Okay, as this is a demo, just I'm showing you the visuals, how you can do using your each tool. Clear?
Got it. Got it.
Okay, right. Let's say I want to see only these 2 employees from administration. If I select this, see here, it gives me information. Suppose if I want to filter multiple departments, administration, accounting, as well as my public relations. Can you able to see? I can pick marketing also. See?
Sir, can we select a multiple departments at a time?
That's what I'm doing with control key.
Continue.
I'm selecting here, see.
So
4
control and
departments.
yeah.
With control key, I'm using. Okay. You all understood, right? How we can make use of Tableau and showcase your data information to the outside world. Easy to understand in a detailed and summary format. Clear? Hello?
Yes, got it, sir. And I have one more question here.
Yes.
So before we representing the data into the graphical representation, so this information is which graph is suitable? How can we know that?
Sorry, sorry. Which graph is suitable?
Yes, sir.
That I will make you understand. Like when you are working with Tableau, I'll make you understand how you can analyze your data and how you can showcase. That I'll make you understand. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Varsha, is it clear? Akanksha?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, right. Next, we'll go into Power BI and see how Power BI can be used. Okay, because we are going to learn Power BI also. Why we need to learn two tools is because when you have a two tools in your profile, these two tools are very good in the market. You'll get in very good wide options of getting an interview call as well as selection also. Let me develop same like Tableau. All the visualization tools, not only Tableau or Power BI, whatever visualization tools you go in the market, right? They'll have similar kind of features. Don't worry, 80% of the features are same. If you learn one, first initially you'll start learning with Tableau, right? After that, if you start learning with Power BI, you'll learn very fast. If it takes for learning Tableau 2 weeks, for Power BI learning, you can learn it in 6 to 7 days itself because already you'll have an hands-on with Tableau. Okay, right. Here, I'll do one thing. I'll pick my Excel data. Earlier, I picked the database. Now I'm picking my Excel data and I'll use this data information for developing a report, a dashboard. So this is my Power BI, which is from Microsoft, and I've selected my sample superstore data. In this, I want to use orders information. So I'll just load it. Right. Can you all see here? Hello?
Yes, sir. We can.
Right. Let's see. I want to prepare a report out of it. So I'll prepare. See here, this one I want to use category by sales. You can see here. There you have columns and rows. Here you have x-axis, y-axis. That is the difference. And multiple colors for my category, legend, and display data variable. Right? Sales by category, and it is showing its values. Okay. Next visual, I want to prepare a donut chart, which gives me subcategory by profit. Right? Okay. So next, I want to prepare a bar and a line graph. Okay. Which shows me okay, with different ship modes. Okay, and different categories. Okay, I want to first give my sales as a bar and analyze profit with the line. Okay, and I want to cluster this with category. Can you able to see? 3 different categories on it, 4 different ship modes: standard class, second class, first class, and your bar shows with sale value and your line shows with profit value. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, it's clear.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I want to prepare a detailed report for my client. In this detailed report, I want to use all the information like taking order ID, okay, and customer who purchased that product, which category it falls in, which subcategory it is, what is the ship mode of it, which segment it is from, what is its sales, what is its profit, what is its quantity, what is its discount. Okay, same like Tableau. We selected department ID, employee ID, and all right. Similar like that. Now I want to make a little bit feel good report, so I'm just giving here boldy flasher rules. Okay, but let's see. Same like Tableau, it's an interactive. Okay, here when I select technology, you can see everywhere it filters me technology related subcategories. And here also it selected its technology and it's highlighting here. And you can see the same value, right? 836 total technology related sales. And again, I want to go and filter my subcategory out of it, copiers. When I select copiers, it filters me technology. In that technology, copiers related subcategory and its value. You can see. Can you able to see? See, you can see 55617. Clear? Hello? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose if I'm selecting here, see, this is standard class, category belongs to furniture. If I select this, everywhere it filters me. You can compare the detailed report value. Sales is 435. You can see here whether your data is giving you the correct or not. Correct information, it will filter. Clear? This kind of analysis can be done and it will be mainly used by your organization to make sure, right, their values are correct from their database. And when they are showing it to the customer, whether they're having the complete analysis over their data or not. This is how it goes. Okay, that's why we use a reporting solution or an analytics solution in real time using your data. Clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Right. So now you all can ask me if you have any questions. I'm done with the tools demo. Now you can ask me. Training goes with complete hands-on. Okay. Don't worry about the training. Just you can leave a training part on my shoulders. Coming to myself, I'm having around like 16 plus years of experience handling multiple business intelligence tools, not only with Tableau and Power BI and Snowflake. Even I'll handle so many 11 to 12 different tools in the market. I'm not just a trainer for you, like I work as well as this is out of my passion from past 12 years. I've done around 1600 plus online batch trainings, not one or two. Okay, every day like 30 to 40 students will get trained with me. So that is my profile. Training part, don't worry. I just need your practice along with me. We do pure practical so that like you'll get complete hands-on after if you travel for 2 months with me. You come with zero knowledge. I'll just make sure like a person who performs in a project for 3 years or 4 years of experience, how a person can answer and handle a project to that level, I can bring you all. Clear? Only thing I need is whenever I give some assignment, just try to finish and keep yourself ready. You need to spend your time, 1 hour or 2 hours of time. Hello.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Got it.
Clear? Because we are not doing theoretical, we are doing practical. That's why I need your time need to be spent. Clear,
Got
everyone?
it.
Got it.
Any doubts or questions?
So will we learn the skill from scratch level?
Yes, we will learn SQL from the scratch level.
Yeah, actually,
Uh,
these
uh,
main part will be there.
From basics,
Shall
and
out.
we will learn SQL, how that can be used for your analytics purpose.
Okay.
so basics to experience. I
Basics,
mean, like basics.
basics to join. See, simple. Yes, if anyone asks me what is the SQL is, SQL doesn't go away from three keywords. Okay, select from where.
Correct.
If
Yes,
you
exactly.
properly know how to use those three keywords and identify the issues and fix it, okay, you can work on any project. Even if it is 10,000 lines also, it will be built within this three keywords. Select from where. That's all. I'll make sure like everyone in my team understand that.
Okay.
Akanksha, Varsha,
And and one more question, sir. So, what is the course content? And I think I might have missed. You might have already covered, I guess. So, what is the course content on here? So,
course content, Career IT team will share it to you. Okay.
uh-huh.
Don't worry about the course content. You'll be learning more than course content.
Super. Thank you. Got
Okay.
it.
Course content for myself, it's just for marketing. For my teaching, you will learn more than course content because I handle only real-time scenario-based learning itself. Because I want everyone to start working after this training.
Uh-huh. So, what about the interview preparation, sir?
Interview preparation also, I'll guide you how you can crack and how
Okay.
you can answer and all. That's the reason, like
Okay.
all my trainings involved with walkthrough sessions.
Uh-huh.
Okay, walkthrough sessions means like we will have multiple walkthrough sessions. Those walkthrough sessions are like once you finish your project, like we have 6 to 7 students in a training. Okay, each and every person will do their walkthrough. You'll be learning something new out of it.
Okay.
You understood? Not
And
like
one, yes, yes, I got the point, sir. And one more thing. So, you're saying that there is no theory content. It's only for only for the practical things only. But when it comes to the interview part,
I'll
so
tell
it
you.
will be the there.
I'll
Uh-huh.
tell you. At the end of the training, I'll give you cheat sheets.
Mhm.
First, learn in practical. If you learn in practical, if someone asks you a question, if you memorize the tool, then you can answer your particular question technically.
Okay.
Not by reading any document, you need to answer your uh, like let's say I'll tell you a simple question. If someone asks you, money, can you make a filter apply to all the reports in a dashboard from one report in Tableau? Yes, we can do it. When you can say confidently, how you will do? Yeah, we have an option there. When you select a report from our Tableau, there you'll have a small option called filter. When you enable it, it gets applied to our dashboard. Like that, you can answer. Correct? When you can answer, only when you do it in practical. Hello? Can you all
Got
hear
it.
me?
Got yes, yes. Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Like that, when you practice that practical whatever you're learning, you need to practice in such a way that you should be able to answer that particular question in real time. Clear? Hello?
Yeah. So,
Yes, yes, it's clear.
hello.
Yes, yes.
Uh, yeah. So, question is like we, I'm not experienced in the data analytics. So, I'm from banking background, and I have zero knowledge about I mean SQL and Power BI Tableau. So, will you be doing it from the zero
Your
introduction
voice is
and
completely breaking, Akanksha. Like anyone can hear clear?
No, something like
There is some issue with your mic or headset. If you can remove from your headset and talk directly, that's fine.
is it fine now?
Yeah, can you speak a little bit louder?
Yeah, so I'm saying I do not have any background of I mean technical background from data analytics, Power BI, or anything, neither in SQL. So will you be doing it from the zero and giving
I
specific
want,
knowledge
I
to
want
technician?
anyone, even I can say one thing. You just give me 10th. 10th class student or 9th class student. Okay. Just ask him to learn with me. Okay. We all have done our graduations, right? Just give me 10th
Yeah.
student or 9th class student. We'll just make him ready in 2 months.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
He doesn't know anything from his engineering subject, computer science, nothing. Just give me 10th or 9th student. That's all. I'll just make him perfect with data analytics.
Sure. Sure. Okay. Yeah. So that's why. I mean, in today's session, I mean, we did not get. I mean, about the basic thing. It was a high level. So I was just curious, like in further session, will it be from the small introduction, like what we are going to do in real world and how we will be starting. So maybe in upcoming session we will be starting it from the zero, right?
So you have seen my demo now. Like I explained, like what is the data analytics, why it is used in real time, why we need the data analytics and all.
Yeah, yeah.
So what you are expecting?
Expectation is like these visuals and these things I have never I mean seen like being used. So expectation is from how we are
What
making it and what are these tools
That's
and
what
how it will
I
be
know. I
used.
know Tableau and Power BI. That's why I've taken a demo. Like once you finish your training, you can take sessions for your friends or your brother or sister, anyone. I'll make sure like you'll be in that position.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yes.
Sir, I
Okay.
have a small question, just two
Yes.
minutes. So, currently, so whatever, whenever we enter into the projects, so many projects are asking for the AI features. So,
Okay.
do you have any knowledge and do you have any practical?
Simply listen to me. Okay. Everyone talk about AI, AI, AI. Okay.
Yes.
Right. AI you cannot develop on your own. AI is an ML and predictive analytics. It's a combination of algorithms which you need to prepare an AI machine.
Mm.
All you, me, and all the resources, okay, who are working on IT projects, we should be able to feed AI with a requirement which we want to analyze. Is it clear? With a
Ye-
requirement which we want to analyze. Okay. So let's say I'll tell you I have a requirement in my project. I don't
mm,
know how to do it, and I want to feed my AI tool. Got it? So
yeah.
I'm sharing my screen. Just look at it. So I have Copilot here, which is also an AI. Clear? Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So I want to ask this Copilot need help on SQL with employee data. Okay. If I prompt this, it is giving me all the information what AI knows. Okay. I give want to find, okay, employee where no department ID. Generally, we use a null operator to find out, to filter the department with null. Can you able to see? Right.
Yes.
It is giving you this information. I asked my AI tool what I can do with this scenario, with this requirement. It had given me the answer, right? So I'll go here, use this input. I'll just write and I will modify my SQL and I'll execute here. Okay. How I'll modify? Here I don't have employee ID. I have employee underscore ID. Okay. First underscore name, last underscore name. Okay. And department underscore ID. That is a modification. Okay. So now I'm just running here. It's saying department underscore ID is null. Kimberly Grant is a person who is not having any department assigned. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Right? Same way, even in your projects, this AI tool, how I am having here is because I purchased Microsoft Windows license. That's why I got an AI tool. When your client purchases a license for Tableau or Power BI also will have a Copilot license. Okay, I'll show you. Tableau also will have their own Copilot license available on their server. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It's not here on this desktop tools. It will be on
Yes,
the
sir.
server. That needs to pay a license that will be taken care by your organization. As an developer, what you need to know, first you need to know this development, right? Let's say I'll show you a small AI here. Okay. There is an option called question and answer, which uses an AI. Okay. I know Power BI. What I can do here is I'm asking a question to my AI prompt, which is available in my Power BI. Okay.
Mhm.
Sales by category. Sales by category. Show it in pie chart. Can you able to see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sales by category. And I want to add category and subcategory and show me in pie. Can you able to see how wisely it designed? Oh, sorry. Lost it. Sales by category. First, I ask sales by category. Then I'm asking, okay, you give me sales by category and subcategory. Okay. Next, you give me a pie chart visual. Can you all able to see?
Yes, sir.
AI is nothing but you cannot develop AI. Remember, there are so many AI tools, Gemini, Cloud, and you have ChatGPT. You have so many AI tools are there. Based on my financial ability to invest in AI purchase, I'll invest. I'll purchase the tool. Okay. And that gives me an option where I can write a proper, meaningful question to my AI that gives me a ready answer with 80% accuracy. Okay. Already I have a knowledge on the tool or a technology which I am working. Using AI inputs, I can make my work much more faster, like here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. I agree.
Okay. To develop this, what I need to do, I need to go and I need to drag and drop. I need to select this visual. I need to drag into that and I need to develop all these things. But I have a knowledge on Power BI. I have given a prompt to my AI, which is there linked up with my Power BI. So it gives me output very fast. Then what I can do from a scratch. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Ah,
So actually, my question is that this is for only for our side. So
ah,
I am asking for that whenever we develop a report or dashboard, whatever it may be.
hmm,
So, for example, so we have that sales condition is there.
hmm.
So I mean, they need a like a automatic mail or something. They need that. I mean,
Those things can be done with the
mm,
server side. Remember,
mm,
okay?
yes.
Server, if they have that subscription to do
Mm-hmm.
auto generation or automation, this report creation can, if that report creation can be automated, there is no need of giving you a job.
Okay.
You understood my point?
Yes, yes, sir.
There is no need of.
Yeah.
There is
Previously,
no need
we
of
need
for
to.
you all to join here and learn.
Mhm. Yeah.
Even
Earlier, we
if
have to create a job ID, then we have to apply the condition.
that's
We
what I'm
have
telling.
done in SAP mode, but I don't have any idea in Power BI,
Hmm.
Tableau.
That's what I'm telling. So, first thing is like even if someone wants to run their project on AI, they need a people with complete understanding on the tools. Because if AI do some mistake, there should be a human intervention to correct that.
Understood.
Okay, you cannot correct the AI code which is running in the backend, but you can correct the process what it is doing in using its own brain. You can feed it.
Yes, yes. So in the report level, if we don't know that, so then based on that,
No, basically in report level, your 80% job will be your job only. Okay, they'll not depend on AI.
I agree.
Okay, because because it's their data, right? They
Yes.
don't want companies won't give their data information to AI tools
Yeah.
because it will be open.
Yeah,
No
absolutely.
company will do that. Remember, okay, even if they provide you some AI tool license, they'll keep restriction that you know, should not give access to your AI to your machine. And you cannot give also. They'll have their set of account permissions and all security.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because there will be so much of sensitive data which they cannot give it to AI or AI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then everyone, hope you all enjoyed this session. Okay. If you have any of your friends, you can refer your friends if you like this demo. Okay. Very soon we'll start the training sessions for this data analytics. Okay. You can reach out to Career IT team. They'll guide you on. Okay. Yeah.
True, sir, definitely.
Thank you. You all have a great day, great weekend.
Thank you.